What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the shop. Now it is Christmas Eve. Can you believe it? I have no idea what happened to 2019. The year just seemed to be a blur and every year seems to get faster and faster, but here we are again. The Christmas decorations are back up and this is one of my favourite times of year. I actually get to take some time off and you get to sit back and reflect and spend some time with friends and family and unwind and prepare yourself for the new year. So yeah, I just wanted to say happy Christmas to you guys and to share a beer with you. I'm always saying at the end of my videos, let's go have a beer. So let's actually have a beer and celebrate Christmas. So here's to you guys. Happy Christmas and a happy new year. And I hope the new year brings everything that you're looking for and that it's a prosperous time for you. And wherever you are in the world, you get to spend it with your friends and family, and the new year brings you plenty of good tools and woodworking stuff and a bit of crack and a bit of laugh too. And yeah, so hopefully wherever you are in the world, you're going to have a good time this Christmas. And I just wanted to say happy Christmas and thanks for all the support. I get messages from all over the world now. It's mental. I get messages from Australia, from India, from the east to the west coast of America, all over Europe, England, Scotland, Wales, around Ireland. And it's mental how much the channel has grown in these last few months. And you guys really seem to be enjoying it. So I read your comments and I take them all on board and it means a lot. So thanks for all the support. So yeah, happy Christmas and a happy new year. And let's have a beer. We'll have a few more after this one too, don't worry. So there you go, guys. Happy Christmas, happy new year. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Wasn't just for show, you know. I've got 5 more bottles here. It's Christmas Eve. I'm on the beer. I wonder could I get a fridge in here? Or maybe build a bar. Maybe in an upcoming video. This is like liquid inspiration. I'm having another one. Happy Christmas.